absolute wild country updates and more. On Thursday, I read an article about uh, bird flu or avian flu, whatever you want to call it, in chickens. One of the largest egg producers said that there is alleged bird flu in eggs. Now, here's another article, but this time bird flu found in milk in 3 states in the U.S. According to health officials on Monday, dairy cows and milk in Texas, Kansas, and New Mexico have tested positive for the bird flu. Furthermore, the virus is affecting older dairy cows in those states. Why older? Why older dairy cows but not younger ones? It almost sounds like they're. It almost sounds like they are. Uh, how do I want to put it? They're almost sounded like this bird flu is doing the same thing to cows like the cough was doing to us humans. That's almost like how they're referring. Like in older people, the cough affected older people, but the cough didn't affect younger people. I mean, it did in some cases, but in most cases, it was older people being affected. Just like here, older cows are being affected. What's the coincidence here? And then it goes on to say what is bird sickness. The bird sickness, which is affecting these states in dairy products, is a disease primarily caused by a family of sick viruses generally transmitted through birds. For the most part, the spread of the sickness has largely increased and is costing the government $660 million. The sickness increased the price of eggs and poultry, furthermore requiring the killing of more than 50 million birds. Huh. You know, one thing, the past summer and in the wintertime, I've found a couple dead birds in my daughter's yard. Just out of nowhere. I was walking in the yard and there would be a dead bird here or a dead bird there. Why? Are our birds being affected with whatever they're spraying up in the skies? We know that there's trails that don't dissipate over time, and them trails, what are they doing to the birds? Is that why these birds are getting sick? Is that why these birds are starting to just die out of nowhere? The bird flu is affecting cows and causing many reckless inconveniences. The sickness is causing a drop in milk production, loss of appetite, and changes in manure consistency. This information regarding the sickness was released 1 week after finding out the goats were also diagnosed with the sickness. The sickness required the U.S. dairies to only allow milk from healthy animals to enter the food supply chain. The milk from the cows infected is being destroyed. This is to ensure the health and safety as the sickness has already spread in 3 big areas, and it's best to minimize the sickness, the bird sickness, at its source. so it does not increase in places it has and has not spread to. So there you got it. I mean, first I gave you an article about the eggs. Now I'm giving you this article about the milk. Now, wake up, America. They are and have been targeting our food chain. And we just keep letting it go and keep letting it go and keep letting it go. Peace out.